Assalamualaikum. Today, our group will be presenting our business proposal on digital cordless keeping rope. As an overview, our business name is Jumperz Enterprise. It is a sole proprietorship business owned by a sole proprietor named Ain. Jumperz Enterprise aims to produce a sport item that fulfill the needs of our customers. Illustrated here is the organization chart of Jumperz Enterprise, in which shows the management of the team. Ain as the owner, followed by 4 managers working under her, which are Afnan as operating manager, Mariam as financial manager, Hanan as marketing manager, and Hamza as human resource and administrative manager. Now let us move on to the product. Jumperz Enterprise decides to produce a digital cordless keeping rope, which is a skipping rope without a long rope, consists of 2 handles with a short rope and weighted ball attached to its ends. It looks like this. Due to the issues faced by our customers, such as lack of sport activities can be done due to pandemic, injuries of tripping over a normal skipping rope, and even limited space to exercise, we decided to produce a digital cordless skipping rope because of its values, or the cordless element eliminates the problems that they face. Besides that, this cordless skipping rope is not really widely available in the Malaysian market at the moment.
Hi, my name is Hamza and I will talk about marketing analysis and marketing strategy. For targeting market, since our business is sellable product for sport loafer, so we are defining our targeting audience for 4 category. The first category is 6-year-old and above, and the second category is student and staff, and for third category is male and female, which is all gender, and the last one is all Malaysian residents. So why these are our targeting marketing? Because the product come with a different color, so that's mean for all. And the second thing, our product is come with affordable price, can be purchased by student and staff as well. And also our product is still at Malaysia only, so we can use Malaysian shipping company to send to our customers. For marketing strategy, we are planning to promote our business by using 4 channels. The first channel is by social media. By using social media, we can reach more people, because nowadays everyone using social media such as Facebook and Instagram and Twitter. So by using this platform, we can reach more people to buy our product. And the second way is by using flyers. Flyers is an effective way to reach more people for small business like ours. And the third way is by using shopping websites. We can build our own website, so we can sell the product and deliver it to our customer to their home. And the last one, by offering price below than 60 ringgit, because from the survey that we made, 42% from our customer, they said their budget for buying our product is below than 60 ringgit. So we are selling our product with 47 ringgit.
Based on the survey, 56.4% of the respondents felt that the pandemic halted their workout activities, and 97.4% of them are seeking an affordable indoor sport item to work out with. However, 56.4% of the respondents do not know what cordless skipping rope is. Thus, we wanted to introduce it to the market to ensure a more convenient indoor workout. Due to pandemic, most of them prefer online shopping over walk-in. As for shipping companies, 59% of them prefer J&T Express over other couriers. Lastly, for walk-ins, 66.7% of them prefer Al-Ihsan Sport over other retailers.
Next, operational plan. In operational plan, we're going to talk about how we produce our product, how we kept our product, and how we distribute our products. How we produce our products. First, we're going to buy our raw materials from our supplier and then keep it in our warehouse. And we're going to produce our product by assembling the raw materials. Our raw materials consist of grip handle, digital handle, PVC rope, and weighted ball. Our product will be assembled by laborers and also by the help of a machine. Once the products are done, we're going to store our products in our warehouse. For the distribution of our products, we're going to go with 2 ways. First, we're going to ship our products directly to the retailers. Some example for the retailers is Al-Ihsan, Decathlon, JT Sports, and Sports Empire. We also market our products with our websites. So if we have a customers that wants to buy our product directly from us, we will ship it directly to them with the help of other shipping companies such as Jedet, CityLink, GNT Express, Postlaju, Skynet, and the rest.
We move to financial plan of Jumperz Enterprise. Firstly, the summary of cost classification in our business. We categorize the cost into two types, which are non-manufacturing cost and manufacturing cost. In manufacturing cost, first we have direct material, which consists of 4 items. There are weighted ball, PVC rope, digital handle, and grip handle. These 4 items are the main material in producing the cordless keeping rope. Next, we have direct labor, where the labor get paid RM 10 ringgit per hour. Lastly, we have manufacturing overhead, MOH, cost that consists of variable MOH and fixed MOH. Variable MOH is electricity bills, while fixed MOH are machinery rent and cleaner salaries. For non-manufacturing costs, first we have fixed selling and administrative costs, which are office building, transportation fees, advertising costs, and administrative worker salaries. We also have variable selling and administrative costs at rate of RM 1 ringgit. Next financial plan is pricing. So basically our product use markup of 100% to get the selling price of product per unit. Our product cost per unit is 20 ringgit and 16 cents, and using the markup we multiply the cost by 200% and we get our selling price is RM 47.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanan and I'm going to present CVP analysis, target profit analysis, and break even. First, the selling price is 47 ringgit per unit, and then for fixed cost, the total fixed manufacturing overhead cost is 31,000 ringgit, and a depreciation on asset is 7,400 ringgit. Next is variable cost per unit. The total is 6 ringgit and 70 cents. Next, for break-even point quarterly in quantity, we divide total fixed cost with contribution margin in unit. Therefore, we get 952 unit. Next, break-even sales in RM, we divide total fixed cost with contribution margin ratio, and then we get 44,787 ringgit. Next is target profit analysis. Our target profit is 100,000 ringgit to expand our business to other states of Malaysia for the upcoming year. The unit sales that we need to sell in order to achieve the 100,000 profit is 3,434 unit. Next, in sales, RM is 161,418 ringgit.
The sale budget for our company is in quarter 1. The total is 728,500, and in quarter 2 the total is 752,000, and in quarter 3 and quarter 4 the total is 808 and 4,000, and the total for the whole year is 3,097,300. For the production budget, we estimate from the budget stage that the total unit can be produced by our company is 67,540, with the ending inventory is 10,000 for the following quarter budget sale.
In direct material budget, the term we agreed is the ending inventory should be 10% following the quarter. There are 4 materials of making cordless keeping rope, which are weighted ball, PVC rope, grip handle, and digital handle. We calculated each of them separately in this budget. At the year ended, 138,372 unit weighted ball need to be purchased, and desired ending inventory is 3,292 unit. Next, 23,523 meter of PVC rope need to be purchased for the year, and the ending inventory is 560 meter. Then for the year ended, 138,372 unit grip handle need to be purchased, and 3,292 unit of desired ending inventory. Lastly, 69,186 digital handle need to be purchased, and of the year with 1,646 units of ending inventory. Total ending inventory of direct material is 22,381 ringgit. Next, cash disbursement. 20% of purchase are cash purchase and 80% is credit purchase. From the credit purchase, 50% need to pay in this quarter while other half pay at the following quarter. Total purchase in the year is 847,981 ringgit. Beginning account payable is 0 and ending account payable is 92,755 ringgit.
Next, as for the direct labor budget, it is assumed that each product requires 15 minutes of direct labor and they are paid 10 ringgit per hour. After altogether calculating the direct labor budget quarterly, the total direct labor cost for the year is 168,850 ringgit as shown. As for the manufacturing overhead or MOH budget, the variable MOH rate is 3 ringgit and 20 cents. Fixed MOH for machinery's rent and cleaner's salary are 20,000 and 1,000 quarterly respectively. And the warehouse is being depreciated at 3% on cost. By calculating the total MOH cost and deducting the depreciation quarterly, the total cash disbursement for MOH for the year is 111,632 ringgit as shown. As for the selling and administrative budget, it is assumed that the variable selling and admin rate is 1 ringgit. Fixed selling and admin is 10,000 ringgit quarterly, and shipping trucks are being depreciated at 4% on cost. By calculating the total selling and admin expenses and deducting the depreciation quarterly, the total selling and admin expenses for the year is 102,700 ringgit as shown.
This is our cash collection budget for 4 quarters ended on 31st December 2020. We believe that 80% of our sales are cash sales and 20% of our budgeted sales are credit sales. And for the credit sales, we also budgeted that 50% of it are paid on that quarter and the rest of 50% are paid on the next quarter. So for 2021 cash collection budget, we got 808,400 with 80,840,000 account receivable carry forward. We budgeted that the total of cash collection that year is 3,016,460. This is our cash budgets for 4 quarters ended on 31st December 2020. The beginning cash balance on the first quarter amounted 80,000 are brought by the owner, Ain, into the business. For the materials, we took the figure from cash disbursement budget by quarter that were also taken from direct materials budgets. Direct labor's figure are taken from direct labor budget. Same goes with manufacturing overhead, selling and admin. We purchased patents and copyrights for 3,000 in the first quarter, and it is expected that it's going to generate cash flow for an indefinite time, which it does not amortize. And for the whole first quarter until the quarters 4, we don't have any deficiency. The business also took 100,000 of loan on the first quarter, and 2% of the loan is interest, which is expensed throughout the year. And the business paid the interest for 2,000 at quarters 4. So the business ending cash balance for the year 2021 is 1,960,297.
For budgeted statement of profit and loss for the year ended 31st December 2021, the net income is 1,793,914 ringgit. Next, the budgeted statement of financial position as at 31st December 2021. Notes for capital is the warehouse cost 880,000 ringgit was brought into business and is depreciated 3% on cost. Next, shipping trucks cost 80,000 ringgit is brought into business and it is depreciated 4% on cost. Next, patents and copyrights is purchased for 3,000 ringgit in the first quarter and it is expected to generate cash flows for an indefinite period of time and it does not need to be amortized. Therefore, the budgeted statement of financial position as at 31st December 2021, the balance between asset and loan plus capital is 3,026,669 ringgit.